Hello, my name is Emily and welcome to your second bloom. Here's a sneak peek in some of the ways I bloom. My daughter made me a skirt, so I will show you more of this later. Homemade cookies, yummy. And my art. I really use art to help me inspire myself and music. Come join me. Good morning. This is Emily from Your Second Bloom, and I am here. My channel is named Your Second Bloom because I want to show everyone that you don't just have one bloom. You don't bloom in your youth and then start wilting. You can bloom and bloom again. You just have to know when you're beginning to wilt. And I struggled with this, and I let myself almost disappear. So I don't want that to happen to anybody. And there are ways to keep you blooming. Oh my goodness gracious. I haven't figured out how to get my hair to bloom again. Yeah, that's, if you have watched my other videos, you will have seen, I think the one video was called, I forget, Insane Hair or something. But that's not what this channel is. This is not a fashion channel. It is a life channel. And hopefully I can inspire everyone and help you begin to bloom and be happy. The way that I've done it, well, music was a big part of it. I started to teach myself guitar. I wanted to accompany myself. I wanted to get used to singing. I love singing. Even in my youth, I was in a couple musicals in high school, so it wasn't Broadway. And I was pretty bad, but I did it. I am not the most outgoing. I did theater in school because I knew myself, and I was exceedingly shy, still am, which is why I can't talk on the camera too well. I'm much better doing voiceovers, but I'm trying. So I did music. I kind of let that go as life came at me. But yeah, blooming again, I started, I grabbed onto my creativity, and that was good. Music, art, painting. I started doing that again, and I have to tell you, well, that's why they have art therapy. I use multi-mediums. I use oil pastels. I do a lot of paintings of flowers, of course, your second bloom. I do a lot of paintings of houses. It seems to be at the moment, they just come out of me because we are in the process of moving. There's a flower, there's more houses. We are moving somewhere, and I have just been painting house after house after house. I think I need to just be settled. But that's what the art does. I do a lot of abstract feeling, just whatever comes out. And that's why art is wonderful. So you should try it if you would like to feel more grounded. And what I really want to start doing is learning to sew. And my daughter, I'm so excited. She's fabulous, and she made me. I'm so excited to show you. She made me a skirt. And that is not easy. And this is incredible. She lined it. She used vintage fabric. Oh my gosh, I love it, love it. She put elastic? No, not elastic. She cinched it so I can get it really tight. And I will show you that. Struggles, fears, and stresses, but in between all that, it's okay to take a rest. I mean, I really struggle with this because, you know, when things are starting to fall apart, you feel that if you take a break, then you're giving up and you're not working. You know, you feel guilty about, you know, because you have to keep going, but it's okay to take a rest, and that is what I've learned. And in doing so, you will bloom even through your struggles and your pain. It will. You have to keep blooming, and it will happen. So I am here to hopefully help and inspire. These are just the things that I do to keep blooming, and I hope you continue joining me. If you like what you see and you want to keep watching my videos, then you can like and subscribe. I don't like saying that because I feel like I'm annoying, but I would love to grow this community, and that would be great if you could join me. I hope everyone is having a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.
You are me, I am you. We are here now together. We can catch each other now.